All these years I have been editing all my YouTube videos in the M2 Max MacBook Pro, and honestly the MacBook default speakers are just amazing, especially in a small room. The soundstage, the clarity, everything seems perfect. Sometimes I would throw on my AirPods Max or the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen just to cut the background noise around me, but now things have changed. I have moved back to India recently and now I'm editing from a bigger room. And guess what? The MacBook speakers, which felt amazing in my small closet, now sound kind of underwhelming. Also, let's be real. The AirPods Max, great sound no doubt, but too bulky for long hours in humid Indian summers. So, like many of you, I started looking out for desktop speakers. But everything I found was either too basic or crazy expensive studio monitors that were out of my reach. That's when I stumbled upon Edifier, specifically the Edifier MR4 studio monitors, which are Nearfield desktop speakers. These are affordable near-field monitors aimed at creators like us who want better audio but without breaking the bank. First impressions, if you ask, they are clean, minimal and don't scream gamer RGB, which I love. The build also feels premium for this price range. So if you are a budding creator, working on YouTube videos or creating music, or just want better sound while staying on a budget, I think these are worth considering. I'll test this out over the next few weeks and share my detailed review soon. But for now, if you're like me, looking for affordable quality sound to level up your creative workflow, the Edifier MR4 might just be the perfect entry point. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have questions and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this helped you out.